I probably look absolutely ridiculous right now. Rolling R's. Can you do it? Neither can I. And if you know how to do it, I am begging you, please give me any tips or anything that you think might help me finally do it. I have been trying to roll my R's for as long as I can remember. And I've tried and tried and tried, and I've looked up videos and I've done everything I could, and it's just something I still can't properly do. One of the biggest reasons why it's the most frustrating thing for me to accomplish is because the rolling R sound is a very integral sound to make in many languages, one of which is the language I speak other than English, Russian. I have been speaking Russian almost my whole life. I started speaking it before I started kindergarten, but as soon as I got into schooling here, I just absolutely lost touch with my Russian. I'm not totally bad at speaking it, but I'm definitely not fully fluent. And you know, I'm happy with how well I can speak English, but getting older now, I want to get back in touch with my roots, with my heritage, and this isn't something that I've just been, you know, interested in for the last 4 or 5 years. I've been really trying to do this R rolling thing for the longest time. I actually, when middle school and high school rolled around, I chose Spanish as my elective language because I was hoping that those classes would teach me how to roll my R's, or at least give me pointers or something. Yet it's still just one of the most difficult things for me to do. I can't do it like rabbit. It's just, it doesn't sound right to me. And when I really try, because I can do some sort of trill, like I can do that, but I can't do like the R noise with it. So maybe I'm like halfway there, or I've got 2 parts of the puzzle, I just can't figure out a way to put them together. You know that note, you know like when the door stopper behind the door, when you like flick it, remember doing that as a kid? Like I can make that noise, but I can't roll my R's. I'm actually able to fake the noise pretty well, but the way I fake it, it doesn't fully work because I can't continuously roll the noise. I can do like a one-time, like, you know, like speaking Spanish specifically, words with that double R noise, like I can't do the car, oh, you know, carro, perro, but I can't do the perro or whatever. And it's so difficult and it's so annoying, and I don't know how to do it. The way I actually fake it is with the side of my tongue on the side of my mouth, and it's just so weird how I get that to work. And perhaps maybe that's why I can't traditionally roll my R's, because I've gotten so used to faking the noise, saying it the way I'm used to, that I can't train my tongue properly to do it the other way. Luckily, I know I'm not the only one who can't roll their R's. I think I read somewhere that Lennon would fake his R sounds by like just casually making them sound like L's. I guess that's cool. And also, I'm pretty sure in some parts of the world, the rolling R noise is pronounced like an L. Regardless though, I'm trying my best, constantly trying to figure it out. I feel like it's the equivalent of, you know those guys or gals who can like do the finger slap against the side of their knuckle here? Like, I can't do it right now, but I have been able to get that slapping noise to happen. I just don't practice enough because it hurts my wrists to just flick it all the time. I just wanted to make a quick little video on how I can't really roll my R's. If you can't roll your R's either, let me know, like comment below, and if you can, I would truly appreciate some tips. I don't know if no one's watching, just kind of like try to analyze how you roll your R's and then maybe type out what you think would be the best way I could do it. I'll give you a try, and I'll definitely make an what do you call it, a follow-up video if I ever do figure it out. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. I truly appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll just catch you on the next one. I was just about to look into the camera and also say, do you know that feeling of finally squashing the gnat that's been flying around your face? But this one's been bothering me recording this exact video. And as soon as I squashed him, another one landed on my wrist and flew away.